Preliminary preparation. Prepare the following items. After preparing the tools, ensure that the appearance of the equipment is not damaged. The terminals are free of rust. Line connection. Strictly follow the order: battery, mains, load, photovoltaic. For wiring operations. Battery wiring. First, connect the wire on the battery to the circuit breaker. Second, ensure that the battery circuit breaker is disconnected. All positive poles are connected to one copper bar. All negative poles are connected to one copper bar. During the wiring process, the terminals of each device must be connected firmly. Avoid false connections and missing connections. At the same time, check whether the insulation layer of the line is intact. Prevent the risk of short circuit. Next, connect the battery wire of the machine. Pay attention to the positive and negative poles. Red is the positive pole. Black is the negative pole. Preparation phase. When connecting alternating current, it is necessary to add a combiner box. To make wiring more convenient, there need to be 5 copper bars that can handle 200A in the combiner box. There need to be at least 4 holes on them. Connect AC in. Connect to mains AC in. First, connect the A phase, B phase, C phase, and N line of the mains to the circuit breaker. Connect the end with the copper nose to the combiner box. Connect to the AC in of the first machine. Similarly, connect the end with the copper nose to the combiner box. Connect the other end to the machine. First, connect L1 of machine number 1 to phase A. Connect the N line and P line in sequence. Then connect L2 of machine number 1 to phase C. Connect the second machine. Connect the end with the copper nose to the combiner box. Connect L1 of machine number 2 to phase B. Connect the N line and P line in sequence. Then connect L2 of machine number 2 to phase A. Finally, connect the third machine. Connect the end with the copper nose to the combiner box. Connect L1 of machine number 3 to phase C. Connect the N line and P line in sequence. Then connect L2 of machine number 3 to phase B. The same applies to AC in and AC out. Yellow, green, and red correspond to phases A, B, and C. Blue wire and yellow-green wire correspond to N line and P line. Connect them in order. Initial parameter settings. First, close the battery circuit breaker. Then start the system equipment one by one through the rocker switch. After entering the equipment control interface, complete the master-slave role setting and phase parameter configuration. First, set the host. Turn off the rocker switch after setting. Second, set slave 1. Finally, set slave 2. After confirming that the parameters are correct, turn off the power of all equipment. Wait for the subsequent startup operation. At the same time, connect the parallel connection cables. System startup and operation. In the order of battery circuit breaker, photovoltaic circuit breaker, mains circuit breaker, and load circuit breaker. Close each circuit breaker in turn. After all circuit breakers are closed, start the equipment at the same time. Ensure that the system is put into operation smoothly.